So what is up everyone, it's MSH here, and in this new video we're going to review a newly launched fantastic money making system called 7-Figure Commission. So what is this 7-Figure Commission, what it do, and how it going to make money online? In this video we're going to find out all of this, but wait, if you use a link in my description below to purchase it, then you will get 10 freaking bonuses, and 3 of them contains a special course about digital marketing. So don't miss out that. So what is this 7-Figure Commission system? I mean, it's an all-in-one done for you money making system. I mean, if you want to make money online and want to become very successful in digital marketing, or maybe you are a beginner and want to make money online, this course is for you because this contains so much value. I mean, in this one system you will find everything you want. I mean, you will get secret traffic system, case studies, autoresponder, checklist, 300 plus emails, video series, private Facebook group support, giveaway campaigns, and also the main thing, the software. So now let me quickly jump into the sales page of the product so I can tell you the more details of it. And the 7-Figure Commission system is so simple that, and more than that, it's also the most powerful at the same time, because this system gives product away for free. I mean, created by other people with your affiliate link attached. I mean, this is the one of the best highlight of this system, because the product is other people's, but the link is yours. So you're gonna make the 100% of the commission. And this automated process allows you to member earn $100 to $500 per day in affiliate commissions. And they don't have to own their own product. They don't have to do paid advertising. They don't have to create complicated funnels without chatbot, without solo ads, without website, and without also e-commerce stores, without any connection, without anything else, because it's all in one and done for you. So now let's talk about what are the things that you can do with the 7-Figure Commission system. I mean, you can make money online in any niche. You can give away other people's product for free. You can generate sales from the customers that you give the products to. There is no setup required, and it's all done for you. And this system also doesn't require any kind of skills. I mean, you don't have to spend week creating your own products or any sales funnel like that. And this system also has the multiple built-in monetization. There is nothing to install. I mean, it's a cloud-based system, so it works immediately. And also you can earn commission like this. You can see here. You can earn commission like this. I mean, by the help of the system, the members of the 7-Figure Commission system are making commission like this. So how the 7-Figure Commission system really works? I mean, in just 4 steps, you can start your online success journey with 7-Figure Commission system. And the first step, you just have to activate and log in. Activate your 7-Figure Commission system and select a free giveaway campaign and select the high ticket $1,000+ campaign. I mean, you will also be earning 100% of the commission through promoting it. Second step, you just have to add your commission link into the 7-Figure Commission systems campaign, so you will get paid every time someone buys it. I mean, the third step is you just have to switch on the traffic. I mean, you can activate the free automated traffic built into the system, and this is a brand new traffic source that completely untapped, which means there is guaranteed hot visitors to your 7-Figure profit campaigns. I mean, by this you can make some sales over here. And the step 4 is you just have to sit back and enjoy and watch the commission rolling in. By this system you can make some commission like that. So why should you consider 7-Figure Commission system as your one of the most successful money making method? I mean, by the help of this system, you can make some recurring income, and also you can set up some multiple streams of income. You can steady source of money, and you can also quit your 9 to 5. I mean, by the help of this system, you can make more than your 9 to 5 job as well. And it's also evergreen business, so you don't have to worry for the long time. You can also build your email list as well, and you can also sell the high ticket products. And by this, you can approximately make $1,000+. It's a solid 7 reasons to consider 7-Figure Commission to be successful in your online marketing journey. So now let's see what the real users say about the 7-Figure Commission system.
Hey there, this is Troy Trelevin from Niagara, Ontario, Canada. And I just wanted to thank you, Glenn, for the software that I've got from you. It is already making everything easier, and I already made some sales from just installing it yesterday. And so I'm excited about that, and I just wanted to pass on this message and hope it's useful to other people, maybe checking it out. What you do works, and the support is great. Thanks.
Hey, this is Diana. I'm in Texas, and I'm doing a testimonial for Glenn Kosky. Now, Glenn is not a Texan. Actually, he's from the UK, but I don't hold that against him. I've been following all the gurus for a number of years, trying to catch the star, and make things happen online so I can have the life of freedom that they have. I haven't reached that type of success, but I want to tell you about Glenn. He's one of the good guys. He wears a white hat. And I know that he's somebody that when he comes out with a product, especially software or anything of that nature, I trust him. It's going to do what he says it does, and it's going to make you money if you follow the instructions. He's somebody you can depend on, somebody you can trust. And Don't take it just from me, but try it. He'll let you try it. And he gives you a great ability to get a refund if that's what you choose. I don't think you're going to want to. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
So what you will get in this seven-figure commission system? I mean, the first thing you will get is the giveaway campaigns. I mean, the same exact campaigns that they are using to give away free products that make them hundreds of dollars per day as an affiliate commission. And now you can have it as yours. And the second thing is the seven-figure commission video series. I mean, this is the fast start to the video series is a quick focused on getting you started with a seven-figure commission system as quick as possible. And the third thing is quick start guide PDF. I mean, this is the easy to follow quick start guide that focused on the one thing that help you to generating campaigns without the usual hard work required. And the fourth thing is seven-figure commission system checklist. I mean, it's a step-by-step checklist that makes sure you implement the systems in the right order to get really fast and best results as well. The fifth bonus is email swipes. I mean, you will get 300 plus emails. This is the Glenn Kosky's private email swipes of 300 emails that going to generate you some money by email marketing. And the sixth bonus is autoresponder. I mean, you will also get an autoresponder with this system. You can claim your free autoresponder, which will allows you to send emails to the email list that they help you to build inside the seven-figure commission system. I mean, as everyone knows, the real money is in the email list. I also agreed with this. And the seventh bonus is the traffic system. I mean, this is the one of the most important part of the system because this follows the strategies that get them thousands of free clicks to their seven-figure campaign every single month. And now you are also able to tap into this system immediately after your purchase. So just click the link in my description below now. And the eighth bonus is yearly commission case study. I mean, you can follow the case study which will show how they make seven-figure per year with their campaigns. And the ninth bonus is orientation masterclass. I mean, you can join the Glenn live as he details how to create your seven-figure commission system. I mean, the replays will be available inside the members area also. So you will get record of the every masterclass you attend. The 10 bonus is their community system group. I mean, you can also get access to their private affiliate group where you can learn, share and network with the rest of the seven-figure commission system community. So now let's talk about the price. I mean, you will get a whole done for you system also with the 10 bonuses from my side only and only for just $17. I mean, it's quite a good deal. I mean, if you want to make money online with a done for you system, or if you are a beginner success in online marketing journey, or if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, then this system is for you. In just $17 of payment, you will unlock your financial freedom. So just click the link in my description below now. So I hope everything get clear to you how the software works and what is the main benefit of using it. But if you use the link in my description below, then you will get 10 bonuses and 3 of them contains a special course. The first course is about TikTok marketing, how to brand yourself by using TikTok, a booming industry. And second one is Instagram ads, how to get successful with Instagram ads, how to run Instagram ads properly. And the third course is the traffic handbook. You will get to know everything about how to get traffic and how to market with it. And also you can access these bonuses after completing your purchase. And if you're having any problem and if you're having any queries about any software, then please connect me on Instagram. I will give my Instagram link in the description also. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video any value, then please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to watch more review video like this.